Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 3.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US mortgage rates jumped higher last week as uncertainty about the debt ceiling standoff sent bond yields rising. The 30-year fixed-rate mortgage averaged 6.79% the week ending June the 1st, up from 6.57% the week before. Litecoin has begun the month with a rally. It is up 7.5% over the last 30 days, the third best result among crypto assets over that period, topping both Bitcoin and Ethereum. The dollar retreated from a two-week high against its major peers as investors trimmed bets that the Federal Reserve will raise interest rates this month, though the looming debt ceiling deadline gave safe haven support to the greenback.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US average hourly earnings at 12:30 GMT. The French industrial output at 06:45 GMT. Spain's unemployment change will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 20:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 20:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.